Have you ever wondered why the guys from big tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, having a CTC of 50 lakhs, 80 lakhs, or even crores, end up resigning from their jobs just for making these YouTube videos? Okay. So is it just the passion or some amazing earning mathematics is going on the back end? We are going to talk about that in today's video. So without wasting our time, let's just start it. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about a very hot topic, and that is quitting your job, right? From the past few years, we have been watching this trend of quitting the job, creating a course related to DSA, getting viral on the YouTube and earning in millions, right? And it is growing exponentially now, okay? So the question number one is it really the passion? Look, definitely not. Because for every single person on this planet, either if he agrees or not, who is working in a company that is paying him 50 to 60 lakhs, bro, money matters to him, right? Whatever he says that he is doing it for a passion or he is doing because he loves that. But that might be a secondary reason. Yeah, that may be a reason for you to quit your job. But the sole reason that I think that I have found while researching about this topic was money. Look, if you haven't watched that video of Ashneer Grover where he told that being a social media influencer, he made so much money that he could not even think of within a year, okay? So that's what the power of social media is. So a clear-cut answer, yes, money matters. Everyone is shifting because of the money. The passion of teaching, the passion of creating courses, the passion of helping the students is a secondary reason. And that is the real and harsh truth, okay? I'm not saying that these people are getting greedy. No, definitely not. I mean, they were at a package of 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs in their earlier companies, so they already have that decent amount of money within their bank account, but they wanted to do something else in life, okay? They wanted to have a dream life. Means if someone comes and asks me, okay, what is your dream, then definitely this is my dream, that I have a following of lakhs on social media, I am earning a good money, and I devote just 2 to 3 hours of my day to my work, and I get a decent amount of money within my bank account, okay? So that's what the dream of most of the people is. So there is nothing wrong in doing such kind of things, but you should be aware of the scams that are going nowadays within the market, okay? Look, I am not saying that you should be afraid of the people, of the genuine people like Aman Dattarwal, or you can say Faraz Via, or like we have recently heard about Nishant Chair. So these are one of those genuine guys whose videos I have watched from the beginning. I mean, I am watching Aman Dattarwal from my 10th standard, and I started watching Nishant Chair when I was in college, and Faraz Via also. So these people are really genuine guys. I mean, they have worked that much hard to get up to this level. So it is not bad to create courses or to sell courses just for the sake of earning money and to get comfortable in life, because everyone wants that, okay? This is what the dream of few people is, and there is nothing wrong, okay, to chase your dreams. There is nothing wrong in that. But what I want to aware you about is the scams that are going in the market related to courses, okay? You should protect yourself from the courses or the YouTube channels that are getting viral just by creating ads, okay? Like when I open YouTube, I see a lot of courses like someone is selling course of ₹9 and they are teaching you about machine learning or artificial intelligence. I mean such a garbage thing. Means in ₹9 they are teaching you about artificial intelligence, and what can we say about that? I mean, very, very bad. So you should get aware from these things, okay? And first and the foremost thing, that is above all these things that I want to say to you, and I have a huge request to you, is don't buy any course related to DSA, man. Because look, I am from a tier 3 college and I have studied DSA completely for free from the YouTube channel, and you must have heard about that legend, Striver Bhaiya, and he is such a gem guy. And there is not only a single channel on YouTube regarding DSA, there are tons of YouTube channels, there are tons of websites available on Google that you can visit to, and you can learn DSA for completely free, and you can become a pro coder in that. So there is absolutely no need for you to purchase any course, okay? So rather than falling in the trap of purchasing any course or getting into the thing that this bhaiya is selling this course or this bhaiya is doing this, don't fall into that trap. Just directly go on Google and start studying. And if you have that thing in you that you have to crack it, then you would definitely crack it without any paid resources, okay? But if you are someone who has a decent amount of money and you think that without purchasing course you don't have any kind of motivation to do something, then you should definitely purchase some course, so that can keep you pushing, okay, that I have to do this today and I have to do that thing tomorrow, okay? So for that reason, or for any one-to-one type of interactions, and these people offer a lot of things and they are doing pretty good. And I am not saying their courses are really bad, their courses are really amazing and they are helping students very nicely. So if you fall in that category, then definitely purchase the courses. But most of the times you should avoid purchasing courses, specifically for the things that are DSA like things, these are very general nowadays, means every person knows, okay, that you have to do DSA to get a job nowadays. Currently this is the scenario. So DSA is very generalized thing now, and the courses related to it are all over the YouTube. Yeah, we can say that technologies like DevOps or few advanced topics whose material is very rare on the internet, you should purchase courses regarding that, because everybody can make the roadmap video, okay, that how you should learn AI, but nobody is actually teaching the main and the basic mathematics related to artificial intelligence or machine learning. Okay, that's what I am saying. Means if you are purchasing courses, just purchase courses related to any specific technology whose resources are very less available on the internet, and just don't purchase the courses of such generalized things. And if you want, then yes, you can do. So I think that my advice is helpful for you. If yes, then please don't forget to like this video. You can follow me on socials as well, okay? And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will be getting the next video. Till then, goodbye.